For mixed numbers, you can write a whole number as a fraction. So we'll have a diagram like this. It'll have two parts, and both of the parts are shaded. So if there are two parts, that becomes the bottom number. And if both of them are shaded, then 2 would become the top number. And if we work this as a division problem, 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Or we may have something like this, where we have 2 of those parts shaded with another strip, with those parts shaded. So in this unit, there are 2 parts, and in this unit, there are also 2 parts. So the question is, how many parts are in each unit? The answer is 2. There's 2 parts here and 2 parts here, so in each unit there are 2 parts. Now, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. That becomes the top number. If we work this as a division problem, 2, made another mistake. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Let's try another one. So if we have one strip here, we have another strip here, and we have another strip here, and this one's shaded, and this one's shaded, and this one's shaded. There are 3 in that strip. And this one's shaded, and this one's shaded, and this one's shaded. There are also 3 in that strip. Shaded, 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 and there are 3 in this strip. The question is, how many parts are in each strip? 3 in this, 3 in this, 3 in this. So the bottom number is 3. Now the top number tells us how many parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 would go on top. We work this as a division problem. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. We can do another one. In this strip, there are 4 parts. And in this strip, there are 4 parts. And we'll say that this is shaded, and 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 that's all. So on the bottom, we see that there are 4 parts in this strip and 4 parts in this strip, so the bottom number is 4. Now the question is, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 becomes the top number. Now, this is called an improper fraction. The top number is bigger than the bottom number. In order to figure this out as a mixed number, not an improper fraction, let's look at just the numbers here and rewrite this. 7 over 4. We have to work this as a division problem. 7 divided by 4. So 7 divided by 4. 4 goes into 7 one time, and then 1 times 4 is 4. If we do the subtraction problem, 7 minus 4 equals 3. The 3 becomes the numerator in the fraction, and the original 4 becomes the denominator, like this. So it turns out that what we would write here, I'll erase this over here, we got 1 3/4. This is the mixed number. It has an integer and a fraction. Let's try another one. Let's say that there is a strip and another strip, not very evenly spaced, but still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can tell that the bottom number will be 5. And let's say that all of these are shaded and most of this one is shaded, but there's only one that's not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 becomes the top number. So let's take this 9 over 5. That's not a mixed number right now. This is an improper fraction. Let's work this as a division problem. 9 divided by 5. 9 divided by 5. 5 can go into 9 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. The 4 becomes the top part, or the numerator of the fraction, and the original 5 becomes the bottom, or the denominator. So 9/5 equals 1 4/5. That is the mixed number. It has an integer and a fraction.